Hi, my name is Vikas Singh and I am a senior technical consultant and master trainer for data science and full stack development at Brillica services. And I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. So in this video, I'm going to talk about computer vision, which is basically a subfield, a subdomain of artificial intelligence. So in this video, we'll talk about how does it work and why do we need computer vision in computer science. So in computer science, basically, if you're going to deal with the visual data as a human brain, then you have to understand computer vision concepts and algorithms. It deals with the images, videos, and other visuals data like a human brain. So it involves teaching computers to process, analyze, and make sense of images, videos, and other visual data. Like a human brain, like a human can learn from the visual data. Same, we are going to develop a type of artificial intelligence that can learn from the visual data. And this field is called computer vision. So in computer vision, basically, we are just going to use intelligence on visual data. That is the whole idea about computer vision. And intelligence means ability, a capability of learning from the data. So in part of intelligence, you can say we have to understand the things and we have to apply a knowledge, we have to gain some knowledge and skills to solve a problem. So this ability is called intelligence. And the type of data decides what type of field you are going to use in artificial intelligence. If you are going to use text analysis, textual data, then this field is called NLP, natural language processing. And if you're going to deal with the visual data, images like videos, like animations, and this field is called computer vision. So in computer vision, we have some kind of working process or functionality exactly like a human brain. That means just like a human brain uh, deals with the images, our human brain first of all identifies and tries to find out some basic features from the images from any type of shape or visual data, and then next level it find out some complex features. Same goes with the computer vision. In neural networks, we have some collection of perceptron that are dedicated to find out some patterns from the some basic features from the visual data. And in next level, we have some advanced collection of perceptrons or layers, which is basically dedicated to find out the complex features from the visual data. And then some sigmoid functions and some activation functions to decide the classification, etc. We'll talk about all these things in detail in the classrooms. So if you talk about computer vision's course module, then first of all, you have to learn Python as always, and then NumPy pandas, then stats concept, and then deep learning, which is the most important part for the computer vision, in which you will try to understand what are the topics, LSTM and CNN, RNN, all type of neural networks and functionalities of the neural networks and perceptron, some back propagation and forward propagation techniques to solve the mathematical problem within the computer vision. And then we'll go for the OpenCV, which is basically a powerful library for the computer vision. And this library is basically the part of the Python, or you can say it's a Python library used for the computer vision in machine learning. And then we'll go for the projects, some amazing projects, hands-on projects like object detection, image classification, and object tracking. We can track the objects, we can classify images, we can apply some labeling on images using computer visions, and we can also detect the objects from an image using computer visions. So that was all about computer vision. If you have any doubt or question, then you can contact, and see you in my next upcoming lectures. Thank you so much.